in Barrackpore continues, even as polling for the day would draw to a close in about 3 hours from now. Since this morning, several allegations have been made by Arjun Singh, the candidate of the BJP in Barrackpore. He is someone who's seen as a turncoat. He's been with the BJP and the TMC. Whether that has invited the wrath of the locals is a question that many are asking as well. Arjun Singh, since this morning at different booths in Barrackpore, has faced slogans that have asked him to leave. He in turn has made the allegation first that voters were being intimidated and now that central forces have been compromised as well. Kamalika, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Kamalika, what exactly transpired? Does Arjun Singh have any proof of the latest allegation that he's made?
This is a place in Titagarh where Arjun Singh got some complaint that there was some false voting taking place. So he came in that region. The moment he came in that area, there were a couple of people who were complaining that things were not right there. On the other hand, there were a major section of people who started doing slogans and they gherawed Arjun. And then the CAPF also there. The CAPF was protecting and were trying to control the situation. But there, Arjun Singh, surprisingly, he actually stated that the CAPF has been compromised. The CAPF has not been doing their work. So there are a couple of places where, in the morning also in a place called Shyamnagar, Arjun Singh faced a couple of protests where he also went to see where there was intimidation complaints and all. So it seems that Arjun Singh now is putting allegation against central forces. The central forces were requirement and demand of BJP. So definitely Arjun, this is a very important seat for BJP. For Arjun Singh's existence, this is a very important seat, Barrackpore. So in that way, and there are mixed population, cosmopolitan, there are majority, minority pockets in this area. So generally, Barrackpore is a very high voltage, very violence-prone area. But there has not been much of violence, like there's not been injury or hurt or something like that from Barrackpore. But definitely there has been this type of tensions which took place and the central forces came, they took in the control of the situation. And then Arjun left from that region. But the allegation of Arjun saying that the central forces are compromising is very interesting and surprising.
And it's interesting, Kamalika, because this is an allegation that the TMC has often made, that the central forces were acting on the behest of the central government or the BJP in this case. It's interesting that a BJP candidate is making similar charges.
Yeah, absolutely. And he is saying that the central forces have been misguided by the state police. So his actual target is definitely state police, no doubt. But he is saying that the state police is misguiding the central forces. So that is what their allegation is. His allegation is.
Right, Kamalika. Do keep a track of what transpires there. For the moment, though, thank you so much for getting us the latest. Shifting focus now to a tragic accident that took place 2 days ago that has shaken not just the city of Pune where it happened, but the entire country. 2 individuals lost their lives on Sunday when a luxury car driven by a teenager mowed them down. This teenager is the son of a well-known builder in Pune.